Does the day-to-day of your general business operations sometimes make you feel frozen, like you're just stuck? And are there times that you just don't know what you're going to do next, or first even? If this sounds like you might want to stick around. Thanks so much for watching today. My name is Nicole Thompson. I'm the creator of Pause to Perfection Promotions, and I help business owners discover their brand image and help keep their businesses moving forward. As business owners, we tend to wear a lot of hats, especially if it's a smaller company. On most days, I am the web developer, the product manager, the customer service department, order entry, the graphic design team, shipping manager, and I can go on. But the hat that I least like to wear is probably accountant, because most of these jobs I absolutely love to do. And then there's some of them that they're okay. But yeah, accounting, no, I don't like accounting. I don't want to do accounting, yet I have to do accounting. And it's not like I can't do it. I have a calculator in QuickBooks, thank goodness. But because it's something that I don't like to do, I have a bad habit of putting it off. I put it on the back burner, and before I know it, the little bit of accounting I had to do becomes a lot of accounting that I need to do, which is going to take me longer, and it's going to take that much more time and effort to just get the job done that I could have done quickly and easily if I just do it bit by bit instead of putting off what I don't want to do. So, like, before you know it, this relatively simple job snowballs into this nightmare, tedious task. So I've changed my approach to accounting. I've kind of looked at it now like that spoonful of cough medicine, that nasty cough medicine that you just don't want to take. Do I want to take it? Well, no, it tastes terrible, right? But should I take it? Well, yeah. If I want to start to feel better, if I want to get the accounting done, then I got to take that cough medicine. I got to do what I don't want to do. And that's true of basically any job that you don't necessarily like to do or want to do. It's not magically going to go away if you just ignore it. And the more you put it off, it's not like it's going to get any easier. And in fact, most of the time, just the opposite of that is going to be true. So the best advice I can give you as a fellow business owner, a fellow mom, oh heck, a fellow human being just trying to get by in this life. And it's simple. Write it all down. Get yourself this big piece of paper and a pen or a pencil and write down absolutely everything you think needs to get done. Now, I did emphasize the word think there, and I did that for a reason. There are so many times that we get in our own heads, and there are so many things that we think have to get done, when in truth, we've just snowballed that list, and now we've got all this extra stuff on our list that's just filler, busy work, stuff that's not actually being productive. Another thing you need to do is keep on task by shutting off the distractions. And I know, don't give me any sad faces or mad faces right now. I totally get it. But in this day and age, you need to shut off the distractions. You've got the cell phones with the text messages or the Facebook messages. You've got emails coming in, and the phones are ringing, and the doorbell's ringing because you have a delivery, or your dog is barking, or your kids are crying, or the dinner's burning. I get it. Trust me, I get it. But the sooner you can disconnect and shut off those distractions, it's going to take you a percentage of the time to get done those little tasks to get your big project done when you've got that full focus. And the last piece of advice I want to give you is do not be afraid to ask for help, she says to remind herself. Yes, I will admit, I am still working on this for myself. And yes, I am a bit of a control freak, and I know my husband's going to be rolling his eyes and laughing at this, but it's true. I like things the way I like them. I mean, who doesn't, right? So the thing that I'm trying to teach myself here is that and I'm slowly learning this, is that just because something's not done my way does not necessarily make it wrong. So just remember, you are only human. You are only one person. There are only so many hours in the course of a day, and we are on this planet for such a short time. Please give yourself grace, and by all means, schedule a little bit of breathing room for yourself. My name's Nicole Thompson. I hope that this helped you to get a handle on this crazy life that can so often just spin out of control. And if you struggle with time management, leave me a comment letting me know what you feel your biggest obstacle is. And if you know somebody who could benefit from this video, please give it a share. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you next time. Bye.